Hello everybody, this is Kimchi Crypto. Today I'm going to talk about Grayscale in trouble. What is going to happen next? Let's dive in. On April 20th, there's an article saying Grayscale's planned mini Bitcoin ETF will have a 0.15% fee, 15 BPS, the lowest among the spot Bitcoin ETFs. They said it will continue, it will contribute 10% of GBTC assets into the Bitcoin mini trust. They revealed that a planned spin-off version of the fund will have a 0.15% fee, and which is the lowest of them all. Existing, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, has a fee of 1.5%. It's 10x compared to the mini Bitcoin Trust. Currently, the Franklin Bitcoin ETF, its fee is at 0.19%, is the lowest among 11 Bitcoin spot ETF applications, the products out there. But the GBTC, the mini, will have 0.15%, and this is the lowest. Even that's the number one in terms of the fee. Has been going over and over again, and finally Grayscale decided to lower its fee with another product. And on April 17th, before the Bitcoin halving happened, Grayscale spot Bitcoin ETF halved before Bitcoin halving, meaning GBTC, the biggest spot Bitcoin ETF, the GBTC has been just outflowed from its Grayscale fund. It has just halved since the trading since in January, whereas the BlackRock and Fidelity has attracted more and more, even 10,000% of Bitcoins from somewhere else's. They added more Bitcoins. The Bitcoin at Grayscale has been outflowed since January 10th, since the approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs. My question here is, why didn't Grayscale lower their fees for ETF products earlier? Because now they could be in trouble. More than half of their Bitcoins has been outflowed from its fund already. To answer this question, I want you to take a look at this article here. On February 23rd, Grayscale CEO mentioned in an interview with CNBC, Grayscale is open to M&A related opportunities, the CEO says. When asked during an interview with CNBC's Andrew, Grayscale CEO Michael Sonnenschein said his firm is open to considering M&A deals. Our eyes and ears are open, and sometimes people are approaching us about strategically working together, Sonnenschein told CNBC, but nothing to announce this morning. So, ever since January 10th, GBTC Bitcoin at Grayscale has been outflowed a lot, even to the extent that BlackRock could catch them in several weeks. It's almost similar in terms of Bitcoin, the number of Bitcoins they have. If this continues, GBTC fund could be dried up, and BlackRock or Fidelity could outpace them in several weeks. So my question here again is, why didn't Grayscale lower its fees for their ETF products earlier? Grayscale, I assume that Grayscale must have made a deal with potential buyers in non-disclosure agreement, meaning they can't reveal who bought it, who made the contract, until when those specific dates and information, they can't reveal it on the interview on the CNBC till its deadline, if any. So I think the potential buyer of Grayscale could be BlackRock or JP Morgan. I assume that one of those Wall Street giants. So what is going to happen next? In short, Grayscale, the whole company with their Bitcoin, Ethereum, or lots of crypto assets will be sold by a TradFi company. Meaning Wall Street giants takes over the entire crypto industry. Not only the crypto exchanges, mining companies, the proxy companies like MicroStrategy, like infrastructures, but also the entire crypto assets, crypto direct assets as well. So here's the thing. Don't care whatsoever threats arises. Threats like from Binance, Mt. Gox, or worse, or Bitcoin or Ethereum ETFs has been rejected or something like that. Just buy the dip. TradFi companies as well as governments, they will boost the crypto industry as well as the price. Not for us, but for themselves. Governments, they're gonna have more tax from crypto, TradFi, make a lot of money from tradings, from custodies, from whatsoever transfers and so forth. So what we need to do is just buy the dip and hold for long and exit this market in 2025. So buy the dip and hold long this year and exit the market somewhere. Who knows the exact timing of top? But somewhere next year, let's exit the market. Thank you for listening.